Hi everyone and welcome to another video from DisplayRepair.com. In this video we'll show you what to do if your car overheats while driving. This should help you stay out of trouble and save your engine. So stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. Be sure to visit us at our website DisplayRepair.com where you can find more useful car and driving tips. If you're interested in some common reasons why overheating happens in the first place, take a look at our video dedicated specifically to that topic. Click on the link in the corner of the video or on the link in the description. Don't panic. The first and most important tip if your car overheats, don't panic. Lots of drivers tend to panic if they notice that the car is overheating, which can lead to losing control over the car while driving. Stay calm, stay in control, and do the next tip. The moment you notice overheating, find a safe place to pull over as soon as possible. Park the car and turn off the engine. Let the engine cool down. Wait until the engine cools down and, if possible, and with caution, open the hood so the engine can cool down faster. Most importantly, do not make the common mistake of hurrying to open the coolant bottle. Lots of drivers do this, although there is no benefit from this. Instead, you're at risk of getting seriously burned by a geyser of hot coolant. Make an inspection. Once the engine has cooled down, try to make an inspection under the hood. Check the coolant level. See if there are any visible leaks, if there are loose or punctured hoses, or any other anomaly. It's worth taking a look, as sometimes the overheating can be caused by a minor problem that you can fix by yourself. If you, however, don't want to do this, call for help or a tow service. Just don't drive the car. The most important thing to know is do not drive with an overheating engine for long. The moment you notice the problem, stop. If you do continue driving, it will inevitably lead to major and costly engine damage. If you stop the engine on time, you'll probably avoid this. Also, and this is something lots of drivers ignore, pay attention to the temperature gauge while driving. Give it a glance from time to time, as this will help notice the overheating problem on time for sure. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.